How's it going, YouTube? Right in front of me, this is the KeySmart with Tile Smart location. So this is a key organizer so you never lose your keys. I even got the key catch. And around 2 months ago, I lost my wallet with a whole bunch of cash in there, and I said I can't lose my wallet anymore. I need something to protect it because I just got done selling a lot of stuff on OfferUp, so I had a lot of cash in there. Fortunately, I don't carry many keys. If you have up to 10 keys, you can set this KeySmart with smart location. So what this is gonna do is allow you to track your phone and your keys within both system and the app. You can see here's the loop ring, the stainless steel hardware, battery indicator, tile button, and flashlight. So you get all that. So we get the charging cable and then the unit itself. So the KeySmart is kind of light. It's not very heavy, but it feels solid. It doesn't feel like it's gonna creak around or break on you. It's around 3 inches, I would say. This is where you put your key ring at, and if you flip it open, you got your beer bottle opener here. This is the charging port area. Micro USB plug-in. You have the flashlight, and then you have the tile button, speaker, and LED. Obviously here you're gonna have to have a tool to remove this. Alright, so I went to my mom's house and I asked for her keys and she could not find it. I literally just left and came back like 3 minutes, 4 minutes later because she couldn't find her keys. She doesn't have very much keys either, but at least I could do 3 of these keys. And she's still gonna have to mob around with a couple. Alright, so once you undo it, you're gonna get 1 screw and you get a bunch of these little spacers. So each spacer you wanna put a key in there. So we're gonna set this key right there. Place the next one, go to the next key, and place the next one. This screw, I mean, depending on how you want to mess with it. So you see you got 2 keys. You could keep these spacers in handy with you, put them in there so the gap is good, or just hide them somewhere in your drawer when you're ready to put more keys. So there they are. The keys are inside. They tuck in right in there, so it's not as fast as pulling out your keys, but it's going to be convenient enough to tuck them nicely. It's not going to be all clutter of crazy noise. Okay, so we can see the smaller keys on the side of the can opener, or bottle opener, and there we go. This is what she's carrying now. The keys are in here, so if you had a bunch of them, they'd be nicely tucked. Now, most likely, you're just going to have to press here and get one of the keys to stick out. Oh, who's calling me? Hello, Daddy.
Hey, okay.
Okay, so this thing is not charged. I'll go play with this and talk about that while we're charging. Okay, the key catch comes with this little rings replacements. Okay, so I have my hammer here as I walked over there to throw away this stuff. But this whole point of this little key magnet is to hold your keys as you walk in by the door, whatever you're gonna set them at. Now, will this hold up the hammer? Here we go. It is strong enough to hold a hammer. It's a tiny little magnet. 2 of these holding the hammer, no problem. 1 of them does fine. 2 of them is a lot better. As you see, I'm not touching it and it's pushing. Now from underneath, yeah, I can do it from underneath. Push that one. Oh, if you like it, you can buy this separate. You don't need to buy any of the rest of the stuff. This is maybe something you want. I didn't plan on reviewing 3 products here, but obviously it fits with what I'm wanting to do here with your key stuff. And here's the Tile Mate. So this is straight from Tile. The KeySmart is a separate company. Let's open it up. See it, ring it, find it. Find your phone, attach it to anything, and then tell you what I'm gonna use it for. So you get 4 tiles on here. So the tile here can go in my wallet, on my motorcycle, maybe my car, or what, a bicycle, purse, your backpack, all that important stuff that you would like to keep tracking of. And this is the booklet here to learn how to work with it. Your tiles are designed with a non-replaceable battery, so they'll run a full year with 0 upkeep. As you can see, the bike seats, handbags, toys. I don't have to use all these 4, but obviously here I only got 2 important things I want to keep, so I'll have 2 extras. In 1 year, these will expire. These ones have plastic on it. I'll take the plastic off. So that's pretty loud, little speaker there. All we have to do is get the app. We get the Tile app presentation. You will have to sign up. Okay, let's press add a tile. I have the Tile Mate. Click the tile logo once to begin the activation. I'm going to click once. Place the tile next to your phone. Oh, there we go. Connecting. Activating tile. Tile activated. So now I'm going to press tap. if this is attached to my keys and I lose my keys, I gotta open the app and press find, and it'll beep out for my keys. Putting my phone away, it's underneath the covers, or I left it in the kitchen and I can't find it, just double tap and it's ringing for my phone, so that's how I'll find my phone. In the details, there's the keys, bionic, there's the bionic ringtone. You can change the ringtones here. So that's that. Change the photo, category, keys. You can change all that information. Replace tile, transfer tile, hide tile, activated on 8:30 to 25 p.m. tile identifier. So there's that information there. Now that is also my GPS location of where it last was notified. I think it's going to be a wonderful thing to have. Once a year you have to replace them. And something that you might not know about tile is that if someone has an account with tile, let's say I left my wallet at a restaurant and I totally forgot about it, I'm no longer in that area and I can't find it. But if I report it as lost, someone else with the tile app can totally ping where your wallet is, and it'll let you know if it moved from a different location where it last reported. You're gonna have to watch the video to know how that works. Okay, now back to the KeySmart. Now the same app will tell you view all partners. You're gonna click on that and you're gonna go to KeySmart Pro. Again, there is the tile button here. So we're gonna click it. We're gonna hear that beeping. Connecting, we can see. Place the KeySmart Pro, activating KeySmart Pro, and that was it. Gotta press it. There's the notification there. And my phone is found. So in the nighttime, you're trying to stick the key in, you're gonna see the light glow right there. Double tapping will turn on for 30 seconds. But that's how it's gonna work. Very easy, trackable. That's everything I need to show you. It says it holds a charge for 3 months. I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna want something like this. So 3 different things here that you could result with. It's a long video. Did not expect myself to make this time. I didn't even know. I don't really know what I do when I get the products. I just do it how I do it. I don't script anything. I don't plan. I just go with the flow. But there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you want for yourself, you already know what to do. Find the description down below. And as always, I will see you guys next time. I'm talking really fast because my battery's about to die.